Stand by for the latest episode of the Biz News Flash Briefing. The latest news from the world of business and investments.
I'm Jackie Cameron for Biz News. Emerging market stocks rallied and an index of currencies erased its biggest drop since March as traders rode the ebb and flow of a US presidential election that has been too close to call. The US could be facing not days, but perhaps even weeks of uncertainty dominated by bitter and toxic political bickering over who won. Stocks have rallied this week amid speculation a Biden victory would allow lawmakers to pass a US stimulus plan and reduce geopolitical uncertainty. But, reports Bloomberg, as odds shifted toward a Trump victory, or at least a contested result, investors headed for the safety of the dollar and bonds. South Africa's weak economy and poor growth prospects have hidden the phenomenal potential for the shares in some locally focused companies to deliver returns for investors. So-called South Africa Inc. stocks have largely missed out on the 40% rebound in Johannesburg's benchmark index from its March lows. This is an underperformance that is not sustainable, says Meryl Pick, who helps oversee Old Mutual's Investors Fund, which has about 10 billion rand of assets under management. Botswana may have found a solution to its elephant overpopulation. It's going to encourage some of them to leave the country. Now elephants are beginning to migrate into neighbouring Angola, and the governments of both countries are helping them do so by removing landmines left over from Angola's civil war and tearing down fences. Botswana's Environment Minister, Phil de Kering, says that Botswana has to help Angola understand the value of elephants. Angola's elephants were pushed across the border by a decades-long civil war that ended in 2002. Illegal hunting elsewhere, especially Zimbabwe, has also boosted Botswana's elephant population.
You've been listening to the Biz News Flash Briefing, bringing you the latest news from the world of business and investments. Subscribe to Biz News Radio on iTunes, Spotify, Amazon, or by visiting biznews.com.